While interacting with elements on a web page, we all love smoothness. And we can do this using CSS transition property. So hey there coding enthusiast, welcome back to IMS Coding. Today in this video, we are going to explore CSS transition property and it's going to be a really quick video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, let's see an example. So here, when hovering on this box, then it's changing its size, but it's not giving us smooth user experience. Now, let's apply the transition property and then you can see it's smoothly increasing its size after hovering on it. So that's the beauty of CSS transition property. Now let's see it practically in Visual Studio Code. So here we already have a basic HTML page with a box in the center and you can see its live preview in the right side. So when I hover on this box, see it's changing its size, but it's not smooth. So in the box class, I'm adding transition property and then here we need to give him some values. So the first value is the property name, means on which property we want to apply the transition. So here I am adding scale property. I want to apply the transition on scale property. After that, type the duration, means how much we longed that means how long we want the transition. So I am setting the duration to 0.5 second and then the last value is the timing function. So here I am setting the timing function to is in. Now let's test it. So see here when I hover on this box, so it's increasing the size smoothly. It's because of the transition property. Now what if I want to apply the transition on more than one property? For example, let's add one more property on hover. So I am adding a background color property and then changing the color to red. Okay, now you can see we have total 2 properties on hover. Now here I also want to apply the transition on background color property. So here in transition property, just replace the scale to all. Means we want to apply the transition to all properties. Now you can see we have successfully applied the transition on our both properties, scale and background color. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want the source code, then please do check out in the description. This video is a part of our HTML and CSS Beginners Guide course, so please do check out our playlist. Like this video, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding everyone.